Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Shinelong. Today I will introduce you a tilting pot. The function is for cooking soup. It is widely used in many big canteens, dining halls and central kitchens. It's with triple layer boiler and also it's with the pressure meter. So the heating is very fast. So it can save the time of cooking. Only takes about 45 minutes to finish the soup cooking. It's with independent steam generator and the generator is with automatically water level regulator. So it can fill in water automatically. The tilting angle can be over 90 degrees. So it's very convenient for the food inside to dump and also very easy to clean. This is the panel and you can adjust from 1 to 7 greater. For this part, you can directly connect pipe for the soup out. Okay, so if you are interested in this model or our other equipments, please contact us, contact Shinelong. We will help you with your project.